What's up, my fellow journeyers? Welcome back to Guns and Journeys. Today's journey is about me installing this Arma laser onto my Bersa Firestorm 380. So I found this laser on Amazon, and it was about $100. It's the only one of the two that I found that will fit on this gun. So I just got this gun. I just cleaned it, did a clean job on it. Today is actually clean day, where I clean my guns and get them all nice and ready for the next time I go to the range. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna safety check it. Magazine is empty. Empty. Clear. Barrel is empty. So let's get started. I also got a holster for this gun, guys. It seemed like it needs to be tightened, so I'm going to tighten that as well to get the snug fit that I want for this gun. So it comes in two pieces. It is battery operated. So here's the back part right here. It also comes with the battery. And you got a couple of tools to install. So, and you have the manual right here as well. This actually shows the Bersa Thunder. It does not show the Firestorm, but it also shows on Amazon that it fits the Bersa Firestorm. So we're going to find that out today. If not, guess what? It's going back. But anyway, let's get started, guys. So what we're going to do is take the wider part, and we're going to put it on the firearm like so. Let me see if I could get this on here. I'm gonna turn it around, see if I could get a better fit on here. It doesn't seem like it's fitting, guys, so I might have to, oh, there we go. No, I think I'm gonna have to take it back. So send it back because it's not going on how it's supposed to. But we'll see. We'll try it and see if it goes. So I'm guessing, there we go. There we go, guys. All right, got it on. So that's how it looked from one side. And then we're going to take this other piece right here. I'm going to lay that down. We're going to take this piece right here. And we got to take out this paper right here, because we got to get this screw, because it's gonna sit inside of here, and it's gonna sit flush like that. So we need it's gonna sit flush though, like that. But we got to take out the screw that's here. We'll see. We probably don't have to take it out, guys, but let's see what all we have. So we have two screws inside of here. We're going to take those out, and I believe it goes here and here. So let's get this open, and I'm just going to dump out everything, so I'll already have it out and ready for when I want to use it. All right, so we're going to take one of the screws. This thing is a struggle, guys. So I have to get this part into here. So there's a little groove in here, right there. And I have to get this part right here into that groove. So I don't want to break it. There we go. Nice and easy. Okay, something doesn't seem right. So we're going to take this screw right here and we're going to screw it in. And I don't want to screw it all the way until I get the other one up here in. All right, looking pretty good. All right, looks good, looks good. Okay, now I don't want to strip it, so, and this is how it looks, guys, with the laser, the Arma laser on it. So now we're going to insert the battery. And guys, this can be adjusted for leverage and windage. I have the keys right here for that. And there we go. And push the battery in like so. And this is what it looks like. And this is the top that goes to cover that. And it also has 2 screws to screw it down as well. So you gotta be careful because the screws to this top for the battery, it is really, really small. So, uh-oh. Drop the piece. So, we're gonna hold the battery down with one part and then push it in. We're gonna take our screw. And then we're going to screw it in. All right. Now you don't want to push it, you don't want to screw it too tight because you don't want it to be, and there we go. As you can see, we have the light, the laser, and it is touch activated. So when I remove my hand from underneath the bottom of the gun, it turns off the laser. Anytime I touch it when the gun is in my hand, it activates the laser by this little grip right here. So as you can see, it's activated, and when I remove my hand, it lets go. So I like it, guys. If you like this video, it's activating my lasers. It's reflecting off the walls. So if you like this video, leave a comment down below. Also subscribe to the channel if you want to take more journeys with me. This is just one of many. I have another video coming soon when I get my 22, and I will reveal which 22 I bought. I have more than one, so I have two. I'll be doing a box opening for both of those handguns. So with that being said, guys, we have come to the end of this journey. So if you want to follow me, like I said, subscribe to the channel and hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video, and you will not miss a journey. So until next time, guys, see you on the next one.